Good morning. Welcome to the forecast discussion for Friday, February 8th, 2019. We've made it to Friday. Let's see what we have for the weekend. Hey, look, you deserve a wonderful weekend. It's going to be chilly, but it will be dry. So if you have any plans to go anywhere out throughout the region, no worries. After this cold front moves through, we'll see clearing skies and much more tranquil weather conditions, although a bit colder. Currently this morning we have temperatures in the upper 30s to lower 40s throughout much of the region. Our cold front is marching through with periods of showers. Some of those showers are heavy at times, especially as you head up towards Connecticut. Those showers will exit the region by about noon today, and then clearing skies can be expected for this afternoon with windy conditions as winds veer to the west around 10 to 20 miles per hour. It's going to allow our temperature to jump up into the upper 40s to lower 50s before strong cold air transport really gets into the region and allows our temperatures to free fall this evening through the 40s into the 30s and bottoming out in the 20s by tonight. So and take a look at our latest satellite picture. Again, plenty of cloud cover. Behind this cold front, we start to see breaks in the clouds, so we should see clearing skies by this afternoon, and a pretty cool sunset, I think, as we move through the day. Now, on the surface map, this cold front marches through. Behind it, this high-pressure system will be in control for the rest of the weekend, and then we watch a storm that's starting to brew here over the over the desert southwest, and another storm that's entering California that will make for some mischief by the time we get to early next week. So let's dive into this forecast for today. Cold front clears out, showers leave by noon, and we start to see clearing skies as we move on through the afternoon evening. Temperatures will top off in the upper 40s to lower 50s and then free fall through the 40s into the 30s and bottom out tonight into the upper teens to lower 20s. Now, watch out for those winds at northwest around 10 to 20 miles per hour. It's going to reduce your wind chill down into the single digits and lower teens. So definitely be prepared for that. For tomorrow afternoon, still a bit breezy, but clearing skies. Look for lows in the lower to mid 30s. On Sunday, high pressure sitting right overhead, nice and tranquil. Temperatures will range from the mid to upper teens for lows and mid to upper 30s for highs. Now on Monday, a weak low pressure system will pass to the south on Monday morning with a few snow showers. Not looking for a major accumulation in any way, shape, or form. Dusting maybe 2 inches over southern New Jersey. That is about it. Then it clears out with scattered cloud cover for Monday afternoon. Meanwhile, we're going to be watching this low pressure system organize and this warm front starting to head northward. So on Monday, we get that early morning snow shower, reinforcing cold air. Temperatures on Monday range from the mid to upper 20s for lows and lower to mid 30s for highs. On Tuesday, that's when things get a bit dicey. Our low pressure system starts to lift up towards the Great Lakes. We get a secondary low pressure system developing along the coast. The primary low pressure system is what's key here. If this low pressure system remains over the Great Lakes, that means you flood a lot of warm air into the coast. But another factor is this high pressure system to the north trying to keep cold air in place. So the way I see this on Tuesday morning is that you get that initial shot of snow that could be heavy at times for a short period of time. So just in time for the morning rush hour on Tuesday, we could be dealing with some heavy snowfall, even on the coast, gradually changing over to rain. Along the coast, it changes over to rain, but as you head up towards northwestern New Jersey, basically north and west of New York City and Philadelphia, especially around northeastern Pennsylvania and central Pennsylvania, that cold air may lock in long enough to produce a prolonged period of sleet and freezing rain. So we have to watch that very carefully. It's a very dicey forecast. It's basically the difference between is it 33, 34 in rain, or is it 31, 32 in freezing rain. That is pretty much the main story that's going to be watched out for Connecticut, the Hudson River Valley, northwestern New Jersey, northeastern Pennsylvania, and the northwestern suburbs of Philadelphia. If we push to that 33 and 34, it's a raw, wet, disgusting day with rain and a dream of what could have been. However, if it stays a little bit colder, it will be a major, major impact on the region, and an icy one at that. And let's face it, no one likes ice, so hopefully it just gets just warm enough to reduce that threat. For the rest of the coast, again, it goes from snow to rain, and the worst impacts are going to be on that Tuesday morning rush hour. Temperatures on Tuesday will range from the lower to mid 20s for lows, and lower to mid 30s for highs. Now, if this warm air transport, which is basically this warm air invading the coast, is a little bit stronger, we could be pushing into the 40s, especially over southern New Jersey, so we'll watch that very carefully. It's going to be a dicey forecast. Again, the coast looks pretty simple. Snow to rain, just a question of how fast does it change over to rain. But those interior locations, that's where things could get very icy. So I just want to make that very clear. On Wednesday, our storm continues to lift up to the northeast. We have some snow showers in the morning, followed by clearing skies. Look for lows in the mid to upper 20s, highs in the lower to mid 40s. On Thursday, high pressure's in control with clear skies, lows in the mid to upper 20s, highs in the upper 40s to lower 50s. And on Friday, high pressure sits right over the region with scattered cloud cover, lows in the mid 20s, highs in the upper 40s to lower 50s. That is your forecast discussion for today. Of course, I'm your meteorologist, Stephen DiMartino. And as always, stay safe out there.